I get asked all the time, how much do you think my house is worth? How much would my house be worth if I was going to sell it? And my response is it really depends on a number of factors in regards to the condition and the market and timing and all of that. I'm going to provide you with 6 primary reasons that affect and really hurt the value of the house, but this is not an exhaustive list. This is just 6 that I think come to mind immediately. Let me know what you think after the video. First one is deferred maintenance. It is self-explanatory. If you haven't been checking on the functions of the house, the plumbing, the dishwasher, the sprinklers, things that typically run in the house that haven't been updated in years, that will affect the value. One of the second reasons your value will dip is also an unpleasant smell. We walked into a house and the smell is just like terrible. Yeah, that's a huge turnoff. Another reason that your house will dip in value is it's an outdated kitchen or bathroom or a combination of both. We spend the most time in the kitchen, the bathroom, and living room. So if any of those areas of the house have not been touched in decades, it will affect the value. Also, having poor landscaping, which affects the curb appeal of the house, it will definitely hurt if a buyer drives by and they see dead plants, dead grass, beat up exterior. That will affect the value. Another component or reason that the value of your house can dip would be carpet everywhere, especially old carpet. If you've ever walked into a house and you see nothing but old, dingy carpet, you usually get the icks because you're like, ugh, well, the last time this thing has been cleaned and Lord knows what has been soaked into these carpets. So you usually want to replace that. So that's an immediate hit to the value. And then the last particular component that can affect the value and make it dip is having a bad roof. If the roof is in poor shape, number one, that's super expensive to replace, but also number two, it could affect the livability for the person that would be coming after you. There's a hole in the roof and it's leaking during the rainy season. Person probably can't live in there until that gets resolved. So those 6 things, like I said, this is not an exhaustive list, will affect the value and make it dip. Let me know if there's anything else I missed or you'd like me to cover in another video.